A very good morning, dear children. I hope you all have done the reading as well as difficult words and the word meanings in your notebook of this chapter. So today we are going to do क्वेश्चन आंसर. ओके, तो आज हम हिंदी पाठ 8 के प्रश्न उत्तर करेंगे. पाठ का नाम था करने का फल. ओके, प्रश्न 1, कौवा का जोड़ा कहाँ रहता था? उत्तर, कौवा का जोड़ा एक पेड़ पर रहता था. प्रश्न 2, दुखी कौवा किसके पास गया? उत्तर, दुखी कौवा अपने मित्र लोमड़ी के पास गया. ओके, प्रश्न 3, कौवे ने रानी का हार कहाँ डाल दिया? उत्तर, कौवे ने रानी का हार सांप के बिल में डाल दिया. सांप के बिल में डाला था. प्रश्न 4, कौवा कौवी कब खुश हुए? जब सिपाही ने सांप को मार डाला तब कौवा कौवी खुश हुए. Okay, so these are 4 question answer, easy. You will write in your notebook. Along with this, I have sent the back exercise of chapter 6, both parts. So you have to do this also. Okay. Okay, let us do the back exercise now. Wait, let me zoom it. Yes, now fine. Number these sentences in the correct order. So here sentences are given to you. We have read the chapter. According to the story, you have to write the numbers. What happened first? Firstly, Pia was excited to go to the beach. Then she packed sandwiches and oranges in the basket. After that, Patty tells Tia to pack 2 empty bags in the basket. Then what happened? Pia, Anya, Manu and Sabah collect waste, and after that Pia, Manu, Anya and Sabah throw the waste in the bin. Yes. Next is, who said this? You have to match. Have your breakfast first, dear. So who said? Mummy. It will make the soil healthy. Who said? Patty said. People on the beach helped us too. Who said this? Anya. Patty will mix it with the soil in our garden. So who said? Pia said to her friends. Yes. Okay. Now let us move to the next page. This one. So this we will do in the notebook. I hope you have done. So now we are doing write she and he words. She and he means masculine and feminine gender. Yeah. So first is mother. So what is a he? Sorry, she. He, she means you have, if she is given, you will write he. If he is given, you will write she. Okay. Mother, father. Father, mother. Queen, king, king, queen. Sister, brother, brother, sister. Niece, nephew, nephew, niece. Daughter, son. If son is given, then daughter. Yes. Next, this page. In this question, we have to make a chain. Begin each word with the last letter of the word before. So suppose friend is given. What is the last letter here? D. So next word you will select from D. Dress, dirty, any word it can be. Then here what is the last letter here? S. So S-H-E-L-L, shell. Now what is the last letter here? L. L-E-G, leg. What is the last letter here? G. G-O-T, G-O-A-T, goat. And then here last letter is train. So T-R-A-I-N, train. This way you will write firstly one word like this. Then you will see the last letter here, R. The next word you will start from R. Then what is the last letter in this word? D. So you will start from D. This way you have to do this question. You can make your own words. I have taken these words. If you want to do your words in your way, you can take your words also. Okay. Next question is, take the things we must do to save the environment. So which things we can do to save our environment? We should water the plants. Yes. We should pluck the flowers. No. So you have to tick which we have to do. Which we should do. Save water. Yes. Use both sides of paper. Yes. Throw waste in the dustbin. Yes. Plant trees. Yes. Throw waste in rivers. No. Switch off the lights when not in use. Yes. Okay. So these things we should do. Clear? Okay. Let us move to the next. Let me erase it. Okay. I hope this is clear. Beta, this is home task, you will do it yourself. Okay, home task it is, so you have to write yourself. Just tick according to you which things you can take to the beach. Now we are going to do one page is there only in this poem. We have read the poem and only one page is there in the back exercise. Okay, let us do it. Complete these sentences with the word from the poem. So you have to see the word, which word is used for these animals. You can dash a rabbit, pat. You can play with a monkey, play. Yeah. You can dash with the deer, run. You can dash a donkey, tickle. So these words are given in the poem. Means tickle was related to donkey, so we will write like this. Next match is a rabbit can hop, a fish can swim, a horse can gallop, a sparrow can fly. So what things they do, this we have to match. Next question, you just in this question you have to see, you have to just tick which animals you have seen. If you have seen all the animals, you can tick all. Which animals you have seen, means not in the picture, in real if you have seen, just you have to tick it. Okay, like if you have seen elephant, you will tick on elephant. If you have seen snake, you can tick on snake. Okay, so this is one page only, do it. So today you have to do back exercise of chapter 6 both parts. Okay, and along with this you will write this question answer also. Okay, so take care, bye bye, God bless you.